Okay. Hi, everybody. This is your next TinkerCAD assignment. You will be making a screw and bolt. The cool thing about this one is if you do it the right way, you can actually 3D print this fully functional, which is pretty neat. So first thing, it says insert a cylinder onto your platform. So you'll see I'll be doing just a screen share of how to do it. Make the dimensions 5 by 5 as opposed to the 20 by 20 they naturally start off as. Give it a height of 3. Insert a box onto the platform. Make the dimensions 3 by 3. And then we give this a height of 1. So make this nice and tiny. Good. Insert a new box onto the platform, but a gray one. So pretty much a box, but one that is a hole. And then you make these dimensions 1 by 1 by 1. Back up a little bit. I'll give it a height of 1 first, and then length and width also 1. So remember, you don't really just click and hold the white square. You just want to click it really quick to get the numbers and click the numbers. Now it says copy and paste the box so that there are 4 of them, and put them at each corner of the red box. You can use the align tool, but it can also get a little complicated if you do that. So we made so there's 4 of them. Really, you could just take them, put them in the corners. Okay. Now you highlight everything and group it. So you highlight the whole thing, and then at the top you press group. So now you're left with kind of like that red cross sign. But now you change that whole figure into a hole. Okay. You click the orange cylinder. And with this, you are going to need to, I pressed this arrow to make that information go away, but you are going to have to click on that arrow again. And now sides, bevel, and segments comes up. You want to raise bevel all the way up. Notice that it kind of rounds the object that you're dealing with. So that's what we're going for here. And then you elevate that plus figure, which is the one that we made into the hole, and center it in the cylinder like this. Use the align tool. So, and you want it so that it's just barely, so I'm going to see if 2 works. Yeah, 2 works perfectly. You can, just to check, you can align everything, which is by clicking those middle ones. Then you group it. So highlight everything and group it. Cool. You're going to paint this gray. So we got a gray now. And rotate that 180 degrees. Pretty much so that instead of that plus sign being at the top, you want it to be at the bottom. We are making a screw and bolt, so this would be sort of like the Phillips head screwdriver part. Okay. In featured shape generators, insert an isometric thread. So we're not going to be in basic shapes anymore. We got to go to featured shape generators. We go to isometric thread. I'm going to get rid of that information, although we will definitely need it soon. All right, now make it have these specific specifications. So now we actually do need that arrow says diameter, and you can just click the numbers here. Diameter 3, pitch 0.6, segments 32, seems like some of the numbers didn't take. Rotations 10.